Welcome aboard, future crypto trader. You're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading with OKX. Think of OKX as your very own ship, ready to navigate the exciting, sometimes turbulent waters of the crypto market. OKX is a global cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. It's like a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, you'll find Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a vast array of other digital assets. One of the things that make OKX a favorite among traders, both seasoned and new, is its user-friendly interface. Don't worry if you're just starting. OKX is designed to be intuitive, even if you're completely new to trading. But OKX is much more than just a simple exchange. It offers a suite of features designed to empower your trading journey. From spot trading to futures and options, OKX provides a comprehensive trading experience. You'll also find tools for margin trading, perpetual swaps, and DeFi protocols, making OKX your one-stop shop for all your crypto trading needs. Are you ready to set sail? Let's get started by setting up your very own OKX account. Just like any grand adventure requires preparation, our crypto trading journey begins with creating a safe and secure OKX account. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. First, head over to the OKX website and look for the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide your email address and create a strong password. Remember, security is paramount in the crypto world, so choose a password that's difficult to guess and store it securely. Once you've submitted your details, OKX will send a verification email to the address you provided. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Almost there. To add an extra layer of security, OKX highly recommends enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. 2FA adds an additional step to your login process, usually by requiring a unique code from an authentication app on your smartphone. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized users to access your account, even if they have your password. With 2FA enabled, you can trade with peace of mind, knowing that your account is well protected. Now that we've secured our trading vessel, let's load it up with some fuel. It's time to deposit funds into your OKX account. Now that your OKX account is set up and secure, it's time to fund it and prepare for trading. OKX provides a variety of ways to deposit funds, making it convenient no matter your preferred method. You can choose to deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency, depending on what you have available. If you already hold some cryptocurrency, you can easily transfer it from an external wallet to your OKX wallet. Simply navigate to the deposit section of your account, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and OKX will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy this address and use it as the recipient when initiating the transfer from your external wallet. If you're working with fiat currency, OKX offers various options, including bank transfers and credit or debit card purchases. The available methods may vary depending on your location and local regulations. Select the fiat currency option on the deposit page and follow the instructions to link your preferred payment method. It's important to note that transaction fees may apply, depending on the deposit method you choose. Always review the fee structure before confirming your transaction. Once your deposit is processed, your funds will be available in your OKX account ready for trading. Stepping into the OKX trading interface for the first time might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll guide you through the essential elements. Think of this interface as the ship's deck, where you'll be making your trading decisions. At the heart of the trading interface lies the price chart, a visual representation of a cryptocurrency's price movements over time. You can customize this chart with different time frames from minutes to days or even weeks to get a clear picture of market trends. Next to the chart, you'll find the order book, a real-time feed of buy and sell orders placed by other traders. The buy orders are called bids, while the sell orders are known as asks. Understanding the order book is crucial, as it gives you insights into the current market sentiment and price levels where other traders are willing to buy or sell. Below the chart, you'll see the trading options, where you can choose the type of order you want to place, the amount you want to trade, and set your desired price. We'll dive deeper into the different order types in the next section. Familiarizing yourself with the OKX trading interface is like learning the ropes of your ship. It's essential for navigating the markets effectively. Section 5. Market orders versus limit orders, choosing your trading style. Now that you're familiar with the trading interface, Let's explore the two main types of orders you'll use on your trading journey: market orders and limit orders. Each order type serves a different purpose, and understanding their differences is key to executing your trading strategy. Market orders are like firing a cannon. They're executed immediately at the best available market price. When you place a market order, you're essentially saying, "Buy or sell this asset for me right now at whatever price is available." Market orders are best suited for when you need to enter or exit a trade quickly, without worrying too much about getting a specific price. On the other hand, limit orders are more like setting sail with a specific destination in mind. When you place a limit order, you set the price at which you're willing to buy or sell the asset. Your order will only be filled if the market price reaches your specified limit. Limit orders give you more control over your entry and exit points, allowing you to potentially buy low and sell high. Choosing between market and limit orders depends on your trading goals and risk tolerance. Market orders are great for speed and certainty of execution, while limit orders offer more price control, but come with the risk of your order not being filled if the market moves against you. Section 6. Mastering the Seas, Risk Management and Trading Tools. As you embark on your trading voyage, it's crucial to remember that the sea of cryptocurrency can be unpredictable. Storms can brew quickly, and even the most experienced sailors need to be prepared for unexpected turbulence. This is where risk management and trading tools come into play. One of the most important risk management tools at your disposal is the stop-loss order. Think of it as a safety net that automatically limits your potential losses on a trade. When you set a stop-loss order, you're essentially instructing the exchange to automatically sell your asset if its price falls to a certain level. This prevents you from losing more than you're comfortable with, especially during sudden market downturns. On the flip side, a take-profit order is like setting a course for a treasure island. It automatically sells your asset when its price reaches a predetermined profit target. This ensures that you lock in profits and don't get caught up in the excitement of a rising market, only to see your gains evaporate. OKX also offers various other trading tools such as technical indicators and charting tools to help you analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. These tools can be overwhelming for beginners, but familiarizing yourself with them can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Remember, risk management should be an integral part of your trading plan. Just like a seasoned captain never sets sail without checking the weather forecast and preparing for potential storms. Section 7. Enjoying the spoils, withdrawing your funds. After successfully navigating the markets and hopefully securing some profits, it's time to enjoy the spoils of your trading adventures by withdrawing your funds from OKX. Withdrawing your funds is a straightforward process, similar to depositing. Navigate to the Withdraw section of your account, select the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw, and provide the necessary details, such as your wallet address or bank account information. Always double-check the withdrawal address or account details before confirming the transaction, as sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. OKX may have withdrawal limits in place to comply with security and regulatory requirements. These limits usually vary depending on your account verification level. Higher verification levels often come with higher withdrawal limits. Transaction fees may also apply to withdrawals depending on the chosen method and the currency being withdrawn. Review the fee structure before confirming your withdrawal request. Once your withdrawal is processed, the funds will be sent to your designated wallet or bank account, and you can enjoy the fruits of your trading labor. Section 8. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing this beginner's guide to trading on OKX. You've taken the first steps towards becoming a confident cryptocurrency trader. Remember, the journey of 1,000 nautical miles begins with a single step, and you've already taken that step by choosing to learn and explore the world of crypto trading with OKX. As you continue your trading adventure, always prioritize learning and understanding the markets. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, so staying up to date with the latest trends and news is crucial. Don't be afraid to experiment with different trading strategies and tools, but always start small and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Remember, even the most experienced traders make mistakes, so learn from yours, adapt, and keep improving. Section 9. Call to action. Subscribe for more. Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Did you find this beginner's guide to trading on OKX helpful? We've only just scratched the surface of what's possible in the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. If you're eager to dive deeper, learn more advanced strategies, and stay ahead of the crypto curve, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials, market analysis, and trading tips. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of crypto enthusiasts. Happy trading!